Hi, welcome back to Lifestyle 50. My name's Heather, and today I'm going to be doing the November unboxing of the Keto box. This is $40 a month, and you get a lot of good keto treats and products and baking supplies. So we will see this in today's. So again, you get a card that gives you a certain percentage off of any of the stuff that's in the box if you want to reorder. And let's get in here. So first we have Smart Cakes. These have, for 2 cakes, 76 calories, 18 total carbs, 10 fiber. So 8 net carbs, and these are really good. So we have that, and we have Proudly Pure Parmesan Crisps. So there's 2 servings per container, 110 calories per serving, 1 carb, total carb. All right, this looks interesting, and I don't know how to pronounce this. Stella sugar-free chocolate hazelnut spread. It doesn't give any of the calories or carbs. Palm-free oil. So there's chocolate. These are so good. They're Crazy Go Nuts, garlic parmesan, all-natural gourmet walnuts. These are so good. They're addictive. You'll eat the whole bag. See here, there's 1 serving per container, 220 calories, and 8 or 6 grams of carbs. 6 grams of carbs, 2 fibers. Next we have Hungry Buddha Keto Bar, 9 grams plant protein, 4 net carbs, 2 sugar, and this is in the flavor triple chocolate. And if we look at the back, it's 170 calories, total carbs 16, fiber 11, sugars 2, protein 9 grams. Hungry Buddha. Then we have Fat Iced Tea, 0 sugar, Sicilian lemon, made with electrolytes and MCT oil. There's 15 calories in the can, 2 carbohydrates. I could have used these last night. I was craving chocolate so bad, and I think I had a Quest bar because that was the only chocolate that I had in the house. But this is Kick the Craving, guilt-free chocolate JoJo's Goes Hawaiian, dark chocolate, coconut, sea salt, and macadamia nuts. Keto, gluten-free, soy-free. You'll see here that the serving size is 3 bites. There's 3.2 servings per container, 150 calories per serving, 14 total carbs, 3 fiber, and erythritol 8 grams, and 4 grams of protein. So, and that's a pretty big bag. That's what I like about the Keto box, is that you don't get these little tiny, you get a nice size bag, so it really is worth your money. Plus, it's really hard to find. What's funny is, in the beginning, when we were in lockdown with the pandemic, I could find every keto product that there was, and nothing of, for my mother or anything like that. So it was really funny. Now, I guess everyone's trying to lose their pandemic pounds, because all of my keto products are gone in the store. So, it's nice to be able to try and find products. So we will try those out. Next, I've had this brand before, but not in the strawberries and cream. I think I had the cinnamon. And And so this is high key instant hot cereal, low carb breakfast, strawberries and cream, 2 net carbs, 12 grams of fat, and 9 grams of protein, 160 calories. The serving size is 1/3 cup, and you really just mix it with water. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute, yeah. And it's really good, especially, well, in some places where it's getting colder, not here. Today, right now, it's still 81 degrees. It's supposed to cool down on Monday. We're supposed to be in the 60s, which in Arizona is cold. So might be having this for breakfast. And then we have real garlic and herb beef stick, 80 calories, 7 grams of protein, no added nitrates. And again, I think this one has, total sugars is 3 grams, but the total carbs is 1 gram. So I'm not sure how that works out, but I always give you a beef stick. And Chalk Zero, keto-friendly, sugar-free pumpkin pie syrup. So this has 35 calories and I can't read this, but there's the total carbs, I think is 16, dietary fiber is 11. I need a magnifying glass, but they use them for toppings, for breakfast or dessert, or sweeten up marinades and sauces while you're cooking. I've never used it like in a coffee or anything like that, but pumpkin pie syrup on some truffles sounds good, so we'll try that out. And the last thing in here is chocolate fudge keto mana, low carb, healthy fat wonder food. Need for 30 seconds, then store in the fridge. Cold is our favorite. Craving chocolate. Prepare to be delighted. If there's a more delicious way to get 12 grams of brain boosting MCTs with less than 1 gram of sugar, we like to see it. Keto mana is food for a life of graceful keto. And this has 1 packet, 224 calories. Carbohydrates are 8 grams with fiber 5, and 3 grams of protein. So I guess what you can do is make a chocolate bar. You knead it for 30 seconds, then store it in the fridge. So that's interesting. I do want to see what, so the JoJo's, just in case. So these are the squares. So they have the macadamia nuts, the chocolate, and I mean, 3 bites of these for 150 calories. I mean, that's good enough to start off your chocolate craving. And again, we get the cards. So the iced tea, you can get 15% off. The Proudly Pure Keto Parmesan chips, you can get 15% off. The Smart Cakes, 15% off. 20% off the Chalk Zero syrup, this one. 25% off of the sugar-free chocolate hazelnut spread. The JoJo's chocolate are buy 2, get 1 free on this. And then 15% off the hot cereal, 25% off the Hungry Buddha protein bar, the 15% off the beef sticks, 15% off the Keto Mana, this little packet here, and 15% off the Crazy Go Nuts. I definitely recommend, if you like hot instant cereal, the high key. like I said, I haven't tried the strawberries and cream, but I did try the cinnamon one, and it is really, really good. And the Smart Cakes are always really good. So that is the keto box for November, and I'm actually going to film right after this. I started a new box subscription, the Cause box, and so that will be the next video. And well, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you liked it, if you would please subscribe to my channel. I know I'm new and learning as I go on. And I just really hope everyone has a great day, and I will see you soon.